Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Children, today we are doing part 7 of our revision series and soon I'll start some programs also for you people, right? So we start with our first question. Choose the correct answer and write the correct option. Obviously, question number 1, you have MCQs. Then the question says a loop statement is given as for int m equals to 5, m less than 5, m plus plus, System.out.println m, and how many times the above loop will be executed. You have to tell how many times the body of the loop will be executed. 0, 1, 5 or infinite loop. Children, please pause the video here and check how many times this loop will be executed and then again resume. Now let me solve it for you. Here m equals to 5. The value of m is initialized by 5 and the test condition is m less than 5. Children, always after initialization first the test condition is checked. अगर वो condition true होती है then only it will go into the body of the loop. So m equals to 5. 5 is less than 5. No, condition is false. So this body of the loop will not be executed. So this loop will not be executed even once. So the correct answer is 0. Right, children? The next question. String a equals to global investor summit. String m equals to a dot substring 0, 4 and substring 10, 11. Children, here whenever we are doing two arguments we are giving with substring function, the second one is excluded. If it is 0, 4, that means 0 से लेकर 3 तक के ही कैरेक्टर्स एक्सट्रैक्ट होंगे, राइट? सो इसमें 0 से 3 होगा और ये 10, 11 है, इसका मतलब 10 से लेकर 10 तक. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट चेक इसके इंडेक्स नंबर 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Rest we don't want. So here a dot substring 0, 4. That means 0 से लेकर 3 तक. So you have GLOB 0, 1, 2, 3 plus a of substring 10, 11. 10 से लेकर केवल 10 तक. So what is there in that? GLOBE. So this should be your answer. Please check if this is present as one of the options. That is going to be the correct answer, right? Next question. Give the output of math.floor 7.9. Children, if it is 7.9, इसके आसपास के दो इंटीजर्स कौन से होंगे? 7 और 8. Floor gives you nearest lowest integer, but the return type is always double. So the correct answer is 7.0. Don't write 7, right? Because the return data type of floor is always double, right, children? I suppose it is clear to you. Next one. What does an object has? Attributes, state, behavior, all of the above. Children, all of you have done this definition. An object is an entity which has some state, its attributes and behavior are there. So all of the above is the correct answer. Next one. True is a string literal, char literal, boolean literal और I literal. Boolean हो सकता है. कब हो सकता है boolean? अगर ये केवल true होता, right? In boolean we have true and false, but those true and false are never enclosed within double quotes. डबल कोट्स में अगर कोई वैल्यू लिखी है then irrespective of the value whatever is there in that it is always string literal, right? So it is string constant or string literal. What is the return data type of is letter or digit function? I told you children, whenever the function name starts with is, always the answer will be boolean type. इसका मतलब अगर ये है कि नहीं है तो या तो आंसर ट्रू होगा या फॉल्स होगा. And true false कौन सी data type में आता है? Boolean में आता है, right? Seventh one. What will be the output of the following statement? Kind dot compare to king. K and K same letters. I and I same letters. N and N same letters. So D and G. These two are different. So first we have to find the ASCII value of D and G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Children, always make the table like this on the right side of the paper for the rough work, right? 65 all of you know. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and 71. So it is 68 minus 71. So what will be the answer? Minus 3. Please check. It is there? Yes. So minus 3 is the correct answer, right children? The next one, find the odd one. Identifier, operator, literal and abstraction. Children, if you notice here, first three are the tokens of Java. but abstraction is the concept of object-oriented programming. So this is your odd one, right? The next one, which of the following is must in switch statement? Break must होता है? नहीं. Break अगर हम चाहे तो skip कर सकते हैं. Continue also it is not required. Default also is again optional, but case is must. Without case, you cannot execute the switch block, right? Default constructors require how many parameters? How many? 0. Default constructor जब हमने खुद कंस्ट्रक्टर की डेफिनेशन नहीं दी है एंड एट द टाइम ऑफ क्रिएशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट द कंस्ट्रक्टर इज ऑटोमेटिकली डिफाइंड एंड कॉल्ड विद द डिफॉल्ट वैल्यूज ऑफ इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल्स, राइट? सो इट इज 0. Now predict the output. String s equals to a, e, I, o, u. Each is written within double quotes, right? int I, for int I equals to 1, I less than 3, I plus plus. Now children, if you notice here, after this for 3 statements are written and there is no pair of curly braces. So अगर नहीं होगा तो क्या assume करोगे कि this only one statement is there in the body of the loop. अब हम इसको execute करते हैं. When the value of I is 1, जब I की value 1 है, s print ln s plus plus I. This is what? This is pre-increment. So I की value क्या हो जाएगी? Plus plus I. I is 1. So s of plus plus I क्या हो जाएगा? S of 2. S of 2 की value क्या है यहाँ पर? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the output will be I, right? This I will be displayed over here. And then after this, when it will try to go back here with the update expression ने क्या किया? I की वैल्यू को एक और इंक्रीमेंट किया. I की प्रेजेंट वैल्यू क्या हो गई थी? यहाँ पर 2 हो गई थी, राइट? And plus plus I, now the value of I will become 3 and the condition will become false. 3 less than 3? नहीं. Condition will become false, so it will come out of the loop. लूप से बाहर आके क्या करेगा? Si. अब I की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पर? I की वैल्यू 3 हो गई है. So I is 3. So S3 equals to Si minus 1. So S3 minus 1, this is equals to S2. So अब S3 में कौन सी वैल्यू स्टोर हो जाएगी? S2 की वैल्यू. That means S3 will have the value of S2. S2 में क्या था आपका? I. So S3 will have the value I. And after this, the next statement says print ln Si. So Si S3 की वैल्यू प्रिंट करेगा and again it will print I. So your output is I and I. This is your answer, right children? Children, please write down this in your notebook and try to solve it yourself, and in case of any doubt, please do comment, right? The next one, define default constructor. A default constructor in Java is created automatically by the Java compiler when the program doesn't create any constructor in the entire program. जब हम कोई constructor नहीं लिखते हैं तो ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएशन के टाइम जावा कंपाइलर एक कंस्ट्रक्टर खुद क्रिएट करता है and that constructor is known as default constructor. It is created to assign the default values to the instance variable of the class, right? The purpose of constructor is only to assign, to initialize the values to the instance variable, right? The next one, write the Java expression for the following. Children, this question you have done many times in your class 9th as well. But still many of you make mistakes. That is why I have taken this question. अब इसमें equals to operator नहीं लगा है. Just ignore that. जो है उसको हमको Java expression में convert करना है, Java statement में लिखना है. ut, u multiplied by t. Please don't put a cross sign here. It has to be asterisk mark, right? Plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Many of you will write like this, but still there is a mistake over here. Let me tell you what is that. So at square. Now according to you, is it correct? No. 1 by 2, if you will try to execute this second term of this will result in 0. The slash sign gives you the quotient part, और अगर हम 1 को 2 से divide करते हैं quotient में क्या आता है? 0. So either this 1 has to be 1.0 or 2 has to be 2.0, or both can be 1.0 and 2.0. So whenever the numerator is less than the denominator, हमेशा उसको 0.0 please write like that, right? So I hope it is clear to you. The next one, evaluate the value of the variable a in the following. A equals to 6 plus 4 slash 5. Now इसमें किसका प्रेसिडेंस ज्यादा है? स्लैश का. सो 6 प्लस 4 स्लैश 5 क्या होगा? 0 आंसर आएगा, राइट? ग्रेटर देन 10 and 10 into 2 is 20 greater than 0, right? So 6 greater than 10 and 20 greater than 0. 6 greater than 10, 6 10 से बड़ा है? नहीं. So it will result in false. And 20 greater than 0, yes, true. और यहाँ पर क्या है? And operator. False and true will be false. True कब होता है? When both the conditions or all the conditions are true, then only the resultant will be true. So the value of A will be false, right children? The next one, predict the output. String A equals to within double quotes 12, B equals to 13, int x equals to integer dot parse int. Now here the value of x will be 12, but this 12 is int type, right? And what you have to print? X plus b. X is 13 and this is 12, so your output will be 1312. I hope it is clear. Please prepare the questions seriously, right? Now the program question, define a class to input a sentence and count the number of words present in it. Children, always whenever we count the number of words, first we have to count the number of spaces. हमेशा total number of spaces plus 1 is the number of words in the given sentence. अगर हम 2 spaces दे रहे हैं, then that doesn't make any sense. In computer also when you do typing, अगर 2 space देते हो, it shows you error. Always there should be only 1 space between 2 words. So suppose I am writing India is my country, right? So my sentence is suppose this. So how many spaces are there? 1, 2 and 3 spaces. So what we have to do, इसमें हमको starting से from the 0th index number till last index number, we'll check how many spaces are there. जितनी spaces हैं, हम number of words को increase करते जाएंगे. So what I have done, after entering the sentence, we will take the loop from 0 to less than length, right? And then sentence dot caret of space. अगर ये space मिला तो word count plus plus. Word count कर दिया आपने, यहाँ पे हो गया 1, यहाँ पे हो गया 2, यहाँ पे हो गया 3. और after completion of the loop क्या करोगे आप? इसमें total count में you will add 1 to that and you will get answer as 4. अगर suppose if I have only 3 words, India is my. So कितने spaces हैं? 2 spaces हैं. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. Right? So like this you have to do the program. Here I have written variable description table also. Please check this. For strings, practice simple questions. Arrays also you have to practice. And every day I am posting some of the other useful information for you in the Telegram channel. Please do join the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is there in the description box. Please click on that, join the Telegram channel for daily updates, right? And for today, this much only. The next video will be coming soon. And if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. All the best to all of you for your preparation and for the upcoming exams. Happy learning and best wishes. God bless you, children.